So just quickly, we've arrived in Ninh Binh, as you can see. We stayed in this lovely little guest house, only about, we say about 500 metres, 600 metres from the railway, and we decided to walk there. So after you saw we got off the train. So we stayed at the friendly hotel here. Now you have to remember, on a lot of the homestays, you're going to have staircases. Now this was Michelle and I's room, but we're just going to show you a room that's, because it's a bit messy, I'm going to show you a room that's ready for occupation. Now the name of this place is Friendly Homestay. Yeah. Friendly Homestay, and it's very close to the station. So here's the room, they're beautiful rooms. This one has a sitting area, a nice view over the city, and the family live in the same building. So it's up a little alleyway. The lake is just here. And also Chung, the gentleman that owns this place, will rent motorcycles for about $5 a day. Also, the Friendly Homestay has a restaurant. Now we didn't actually have food here because we're only stopping a sort of short stop overnight, but I have seen the food here, it looks very good. And also Chung does tour guide, so he's a tour guide and does tours of the area. So I recommend it. We've spent the night here. We're going to another location, which you'll find out in the next video. But we're going to pop into Ninh Binh and just find ourselves a place to get a morning coffee. You can have it in the hotel, but we like to go out for a walk.
Good.
And Ninh Binh Centre, just across this little bridge. And the railway, now I'm out here, I might as well point to it, it's just the other side of this little waterway. Okay, here's a little coffee. Hello.
What do you like coffee?
One cafe kem muối.
Okay.
Okay. And one cafe Côte d'Or.
Cà phê Côte d'Or. Ôi rồi, người Việt Nam chứ.
Yeah, perfectly.
What channel you on?
I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you in a minute. I don't speak, my Vietnamese not that good. Oh, can I just get a video? Oh, man. So this is like the Cafe Kem Muối, this one, yeah? That's beautiful. I love it in Vietnam. They make such good coffee. Such good coffee. Lovely and strong. Yeah, beautiful. Thank you.
Đây là hai ông bà nước ngoài rất là đẹp đáo. Đến cà phê vạt uống 2 ly. Một ly là cà phê kem muối, một ly là cà phê cốt dừa, coffee cream.
Oh, beautiful. That's very good. Very good. What a lovely family.
A cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored. I check my email and I decide to answer later. Another cup of coffee and I drag myself to work.
Yeah, bye-bye. This is Cafe Bat, which means, if I pronounce it right, Bat means come, come.
Well, I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I am not boring, I just stick to what I know. I stick to what I know. I stick to what I know.
And here we are. This is going to be our homestay for the next day or two. This is Tam Coc Homestay. Fast foods. And let's have a little look here. Let's have a little look. Okay, so we've arrived.
Excuse me.
Oh, it's okay. Thank you. Hello.
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 This is our room. Okay. This is our room. Okay.
No, it wasn't. It's a funny thing, right, with hotels. This turned out to be our room. I'd looked at that room briefly, and I said something to the lady, and then she checked the young couple in, and then they went back to the table over here, and then she put us in that room and moved them down to here. I don't know what that's about, but we're happy. The reason I wanted to be in that room, and I had a quick scout around, is because it's right off in the corner, away from pool and everything, so it should be a little quieter. So we have arrived in Tam Coc, the Ninh Binh of popular myth that everybody comes to. I mean, when you're coming to Ninh Binh, generally people are coming to Tam Coc. We've got to do a bit of exploring. We'll probably take ourselves a motorbike. There's so many things to do. All the hotels here seem to have these sort of signs up telling you all the things you can go and visit. So whether we'll do much, I'm not sure. We just want a little bit of quiet time. I've got to get on and get that edit done, get it up for you today so you can see what we're up to. All right, take care everyone. Love to you. See you in the next video. Be good. Michelle just reminded me, quick tour of the room. It's a nice simple room. Michelle's over here. Yeah, it's a simple room, nice and clean. Got a modern shower, bathroom, toilet. Yeah, we're happy. I think it's quite cheap as well. You'll have to ask me in the next live stream. I'll let you know. Take care. See you next time. Be good. And they can be quite aggressive. They'll actually step out in front of you as if they... Don't stop for her. Hey. So that's the sort of thing. They'll walk out right in front of you. They're so used to doing it.